Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, 𝙑𝙖𝙧. It's a relatively beautiful day. The sun was out, but the clouds are moving in. It is supposed to rain today. It's about 13, which is about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Later on, it's going to go up to 17, which is about 63. So why not do this video now, because it's going to get cold again, right? So what we're looking at today installing is, first off, the outdoor floodlight mount, which we're going to add to the system. And I got a camera that we already installed outside. I'll leave the cards up for that. We're going to add that to this in the system. Plus, I got another camera that I'm going to put out in the backyard, and I got this little camera mount that I'm going to use aftermarket for the Blink outdoor camera. So yeah, let's get that going. First, we got to add everything to the system, so we're going to go inside and do that. All right, so here's all the products that we're going to be dealing with today. So of course, this is the main one that we're going to use. We're going to open that up. I'll leave cards for these throughout the video for the doorbell install, plus the Blink Outdoor 4. That's the extra camera that I got. I'm going to put it in the backyard, and this is the accessory I'm going to add it to. And hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, then it'll just be out there by itself like that. They are waterproof, so, and of course the batteries, they claim 2 years on them. So let's get into this, because I'm curious to see what that's all about. All right, so here's the unit here. It is fairly, it's got some weight to it. It's not too heavy. These things move up and down, so you can decide, and left and right too, at night when you want to, where you want to position these. I'm actually going to install this in on the siding. And speaking of siding, because that's what I have out there above the garage, they give you this this in the box to connect on to this. So I don't know if maybe you could probably drill it and do the siding thing at the same time. But yeah, they give you all the all the necessary stuff, the screws and those plastic things that go on the wall. I don't always trust the ones that they give. These screws aren't too bad, but they are specified for it. So anyways, that's that. We're going to inspect this thing here. All right, so here's the excuse me, here's the back of the unit. As you can see, there's a lock and unlock. We're going to do that, but you'll see how easy this thing is to install. First of all, for those that want to do the siding part, this just sits like that, and you just slide it back on, and that's it. So that's so basic, like it's so easy to do. And then of course the screws, if you want to do that. But like I say, we're going to probably just do the siding. There's the unlock and unlock. So there's your batteries. There's a barcode there that you want to scan for when you do the installation. But we'll get to that next. You got the 4 Ds, and this of course is covered, so the batteries don't connect. I want to close that back up. Whoa, it's bright. Alright, so the batteries are all set up and ready to go, so I guess all we got to do is scan that with your camera, and then it'll take you to the website, whatnot. I'm not going to do that on the phone, on here, but well, actually I'll get the app open and probably go through it. Let's try this out. All right, so we got the phone open. All you got to do is go to the app. You click. There's a little plus button there, and you see what you want to add. Floodlight camera. I don't know. Floodlight mount. Yeah, so you got to go to the mount, because we're going to add the camera to it. Setup description. Open your accessory battery cover. Remove the tab. Check your camera and accessory batteries before plugging in. plug in the accessories cable to the port of your camera. Oh, okay. So I got to take that camera down. I might actually just I might just add this new camera to this, and then excuse me, got a little bit of a cold, and put the other camera in the backyard. Actually, that sounds like a better idea. This way I can just do everything at once. Oh, sorry. Accessory will automatically connect to your camera. This may take 20 to 30 seconds. So what I think I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do this on film, but anyways, this part here is what they were talking about. The connector goes into the back of the battery. So I'm going to hook all that up and get that going. Okay, so I added the new camera to this, so we made sure everything worked on it. See, the light came on, and yeah, it works great. So what we got to do now, let's turn that off first of all. Okay, is attach it to this. Yeah, I think it just snaps in. Yeah, there you go. And oh, I forgot to hook that up. It's all right. Let's see here. And that hooks in like so. Oh, you can hear my Alexa go off. There we go. And there it is on the app. I don't want to blind myself, so I'm going to turn these sideways. My goodness, those things are bright. Holy. 50, and that's only at 50%, so you can turn it right up to 100. Takes a few seconds. Or maybe that is 100. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Device is unresponsive. Oh, there we go. It's just still loading up, but that's pretty damn bright. Oh, that's why. Okay. I guess this all hooks in together. Turn on, turn off. Okay, and that's all it takes. So the next step. Let's turn that off. There we go. Turn all that off. Yeah, so that's all we got to do now is install it, and you might want to keep that. I don't know if you want to keep that or not. Yeah, just basically install it outside, and it's done. So let's go do that. Yeah, one thing I wanted to mention, when you slide this on, it locks in until you lift that little button there. So I just wanted to add that to this video here. All right, so there it is. It's so easy to hook on. I was going to put my head camera gear on, but I don't think it was necessary. Basically, you put the hook in first, and then that little back panel, and then it just slides from left to right. It's on. That simple. All right, guys, this is the back of the garage, and that's probably around here is where I'm going to put the doorbell. Even maybe higher, but it's going to face this way and do the back of the house. And if we go back here, there's the back fence. So I'm going to put the camera back in there somewhere. Alright guys, so we got everything installed. I'm going to show you what we have here. So there's the doorbell camera in the front of the house, and there's the mount with the lights and the camera. If we go to the back of the house, excuse me, it's pretty windy out here right now. We got the back door camera, which looks back here. And if we go to the backyard, can't wait till I clean all these leaves up. Pretty rough summer. Sorry, winter. So we got the back one right there, which looks at the back of the house. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like at night. Sorry, it's really dark right now. I have it set up for a low frequency, so anyways, it'll come on. Damn, that's bright. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed putting this thing up here together. It was so easy. I suggest anybody that wants to do this to try it out. It's pretty easy. So anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll leave the link tree up on here and my email address as well. And yeah, comment. I love to hear your comments. Anyways, until next time, we'll see you. Have a good one. Stay safe. And bye for now.